In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a transaction in Sendwave. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, ensuring that you can effortlessly manage your transactions. So, whether you're new to Sendwave or just need a quick refresher, stay tuned as we dive into the details. First things first, you'll want to open the Sendwave app on your device. If you haven't already downloaded it, make sure to head over to your app store and get it installed. Once you're in the app, navigate to the section where you can view your recent transactions. This is the central hub for all your money transfers and where you'll find the option to cancel one if needed. Now, before we proceed, keep in mind that the option to cancel is typically available only before the transaction has been completed. So if your transaction is still in process, you should see a cancel option right next to it. Simply tap on cancel. This action will halt the transaction and prevent it from going through, saving you from any unwanted charges or mistakes. But what if the cancel option isn't visible? Don't worry. There's still a way to reverse that transaction. In the absence of a direct cancel button, your next step is to click on the support option. The support section is your go-to when you need assistance directly from Sendwave's team. After entering the support section, look for the chat with us option. This feature connects you directly with Sendwave's customer service representatives. Once you've initiated the chat, explain the situation clearly and request a transaction cancellation. The representative will typically verify your account details and transaction information to assess the situation. Be prepared to provide any necessary details they might ask to expedite the process. While it might seem a little complicated if the cancel option isn't available immediately, rest assured that the support team is there to help. They are well equipped to handle such requests and can guide you through the process or perform the cancellation on your behalf. To wrap things up, canceling a transaction in Sendwave is a straightforward process if done promptly. First, always try to cancel through the app's transaction section. However, if that option isn't available, reaching out to the support team is a crucial step. It's a great habit to regularly check the status of your transactions to avoid any unwanted surprises. And don't forget, the customer service team is there to assist you, ensuring that your experience with Sendwave remains smooth and hassle-free. I hope this guide has been helpful, and remember, the key to a successful cancellation is acting quickly before the transaction completes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.